AGG family, my ladybugs. I wanted to just pop on while I was editing this and do this voiceover to let you know. Anytime you see me with the stick and doing this right here, it may look like I'm hitting the chickens. I'm not. When I speed this part up, that's what it look like. Anytime you see me hitting the side of the coop of Amazing Grace chicken coop, that is just to get the chickens to move, because if I don't like guide them with a stick or something, or shush them away or something like that, they will be so nosy trying to see what I'm doing, and I can't get the egg, and they stepping on the egg, they're pounding on the egg, and they can bust the eggs. Okay, so I do not hit my chickens or anything like that. I know when I speed it up, it kind of like man, is she hitting the chickens? No, I'm not. I am just taking the stick to guide them away, and then sometimes I have to hit the side of the coop because it makes them run. Okay, that way I could go ahead and get the egg while they not there. So I just wanted to pop on, just let you know that's just a little method that I do, because speeding it up, it do looks that way, but I would never hit one of my chickens or anything like that. And then you gotta look at it. I gotta go in there with something, because I'm surrounded by chickens when I go up in there. Come on now, they are still animals and still have minds of their own. Okay.
Well, maybe it was fate or a part of his plan. Giving me you was like giving me another chance. Thank God that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to love. All those little moments, the bus you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments.
So if y'all watched the prior video, y'all know in that vlog we put these tarps down and put the buckets around. Now I went and bought 2 more tarps. They are like, I thought they was $19.99. They're actually like $14.99 at Tractor Supply. You get a 2-pack. I got the 8x10, and seem like mosquitoes is out. I'm just not getting out to do this, and it's in the evening time. So we're gonna go ahead and get those 2 tarps down and get those buckets thinned out real quick and see how it looks then. But yeah, that's what we're about to do. So yeah, this is the tarps I get from Tractor Supply, and they do have a 10x12, but the 10x12 said light duty. So I got the 8x10 because they say medium duty. So that's why I got it. I told you the little metal pin is in the bag beside the tarps.
I didn't hear those things.
I told you to bring the staples out that's on the deep freezer by the tarps in the bag.
I didn't.
These are also the pens we use too. They like $7, $6 and some, $7. Right at $7 at Tractor Supply. I'm not Tractor Supply, at Lowe's for like for 25 pack. So
Oh, it's actually on these though. Okay. You wanna go over here? Where you was gonna stop?
I need it pulled out extended so I know how far. What?
I was gonna say I couldn't pull it till you got the thing.
Is this gonna be enough room for the mower? Do we need to come up some more?
That moves, I figured it out.
I took it up some more. I'm just putting it here so I can get it. It needs to.
What?
Okay, no, that's good. It's gonna kind of overlap this area. That's one. Yeah.
Where else do you want them? Where else do you want them?
I'm just going through my I can do it. I'm just getting the idea. When I look at it, I can kind of eyeball where one needs to be.
What buckets do you want?
I'm finna thin those out over here. Okay, y'all, so what's happening right now is they are bringing my buckets from over here. Remember I told y'all that eventually that was gonna get thinned out. So we're thinning it out now. We got this tarp down. Oh my goodness. So a lot of growing space, a lot of different things. So yeah. So Rondé and OJ is putting the buckets down. I'm doing the ones that's got food growing in them. The ones that's got food, you know what? Yeah, you know what? Start back there. Just bring all the food ones. That's buckets, and then they can get thinned out with the remainder buckets. That way, no food is over there. Yeah, the buckets with food. Just bring all the ones with food and thin them over here. Yeah, that's gonna be probably the smart thing to do right now, and it'll only be that row over there and my big things that's got food in it for right now. So try to fill up this area of stuff that I'm growing right now. That's what we're gonna do. So y'all gonna block yourself in. Y'all keep going across the bottom.
You want some over here? Or they all going now?
On here, I don't know how much gonna fit. Gonna be how much gonna be left by the time eventually it's gonna get over there. So we putting them here. It just bring it down, because I know the thing just don't worry about it. Just set it where it's even and then just go from there. And then they ain't gonna be all on line. That's fine. Yeah, if some is offset, because this backyard is just the slope, y'all. If y'all can see how, I don't know if y'all can tell how it goes downhill some. So yeah, that's what they doing. They are bringing these over over here. Y'all see Scooter Book over there, the rooster. He do not want to be over there by himself right now. Look at the chickens falling in the buckets. Make sure you lining them up. You constantly coming this way. That red bucket not lined with that green bucket. You coming inward. Take that one that way too. There you go. Now you gotta line the red one. All right. And there it go, y'all. There it goes. It is now done. Everything has been thinned out. All the food that's growing right now is over here back the way it was. All this is my greens, my bok choy, my mustard green, collard greens. I think some turnip greens out here, Swiss chards. All that is on this row. I just got through watering. Rondé is watering the olive tree and stuff right there. The only greens that's over here is in my big whiskey barrel things. I got greens right here, but all these buckets have been thinned out and ready to go, except for the ones in the back where I got going along the back part. I see a back part they didn't do, so we're gonna probably throw a bucket there, a bucket there, a bucket there, and then yeah, everything is done. It's looking good. And then I got this area right here which is all ready to go. So I think Aranda is finna put those buckets back there. What's up with these on the side here? Okay. All right, y'all. So it has all been done. Everything is back to the way it was. The chickens has had water and food and greens and they are happy camp. So I ended up getting all, because after I picked up eggs, they ended up doing 2 more, so I ended up getting 20 eggs today. So that is good for a day worth of eggs. 20 eggs, almost 2 dozen. So I am not mad about that. Okay, so yeah, so this is the garden. This is Amazing Grace garden. Yep, Homestead. I keep getting this shed. We got to pressure washer it. We pressure washed the house some months ago, but we need to pressure wash it so it ain't got Amazing Grace looking crazy. Just a little bit more cleanup in different areas back in this area. We got some cleanup stuff to do on back by the fence thing. Just some buckets and stuff we got to get hauled away. And then a couple of things over there, different pens and stuff. But yeah, everything is ready to go. Even the deck will be better for just grilling. I ain't got no vegetables or nothing up there. I'm probably gonna put herbs up there when spring come or whatnot. And then we got this part over here. So everything is looking nice and all tidy up and clean, and I'm happy.